friends, how are you today? After long, we're back again, and today we are going to go for a long road trips. Sorry. And today, my destination is Long Lake. So we are going there for camping. We'll be staying there 2 weeks.
2 days.
Sorry, not 2 days, 2 weeks. 2 days, yeah. We are staying there 2 days, and today, with me, my wife is going to accompany me, and there will be 3 more guys, right?
Yeah.
There will be 3 more guys. They're gonna join us in a camping site. So we'll stay there. We stay there for 2 nights, I think, today and Saturday. We'll stay there for 2 nights. We'll do boating. Long Lake is famous for camping and boating and fishing. We haven't been there, so this is our first camping. Let's say this is the first camping of this season, of this year. And it's raining outside, so I'm ready with my camping gears. This is my fishing gears. My fishing rod. There, my fishing rod. Here I am in my parking lot, friends. So just now what happened that we might have forgot our camping chairs. So the wife has gone up to see up there to find out, because that's very important. So it's like this. It's all the stuffs we have built up, and with the blankets, with our tent, and some food there in the cooler. So these are all things necessary for the camping. So friend, this is going to be around 130 kilometers from my house. It's gonna take around 1 hour and 10 to 20 minutes, around 10 minutes. I hope we reach on time. There are no traffic on the city areas, and so let's go, friend.
Denim trousers and motorcycle boots, a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hopped up Harley that took off like a gun, and he was called the terror of Highway 101. When I was just a young boy, I heard a story told about an outlaw biker who was always on the road. They called him wild as fire and free as raging wind, and meaner than a werewolf when he's on a drunken binge. His engine roared like thunder as flames streaked out his pipes, and he was called the terror when his bike lit up the night. He wore black denim trousers and motorcycle boots, a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hopped up Harley that took off like a gun, and he was called the terror of Highway 101.
Friends, here we are. I don't know where we are, so it's called Radway Husky. So I just took a small break here. I need to get the fuel. Here in Canada, we call gas for the petrol. In America and in Canada, so people who are not from Canada and not from America, so gas means, you understand that it's a petrol, it's a fuel. So right now, here we are at store. We just looked for a marshmallow, so can't get it. It's not there, so still we have, I think, 50 kilometers more to ride. So that's what it is. So let's go, friends. Let's go. We're done. So let's go ahead. Let's continue this journey.
Denim trousers and motorcycle boots, a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hopped up Harley that took off like a gun.
So now we are stopped here for registrations, already done, so locations, and we are going to get the firewood. So we are going to get the firewood. So there is two. We grab the wood. That's the wood, firewood. Oh, it's too heavy. So guys, so I just arrived here and here. So I just parked my car here, and you can see the background. So this is the picnic spot. I'll show you the opposite way. So friends, before we start up, very important. Yeah, this mosquito repellent cream. You must wear this one first, so that you will be not bitten by the mosquitoes and other bugs. So this is very important whenever you go for a camping, especially in this kind of a very jungle area. First of all, so it's edible. It's no problem. No problem. You can put it in your fridge, anywhere. So all over clothes, just like that. You can see. Put it anywhere. So this is very, very important. So if you go put all these things all around, yeah. So you will be good enough for 8 hours. And mosquitoes, any bite, nothing will bite you. So this is very, very important. So let's set up this tent here. This is how our tent look alike. It's a family size. It's good enough for 2 people, and it's nice. See, I'll show you. So here, so this is the tent. You can see. So it has a door here. So to go inside, we have to unzip here. So friends, you know what this is it? This is our queen size bed. So you will see how this thing will turn into a bed. I'll show you. Okay, let's first take it out. I'll take it out this one. So this is something like this, and this is going to be our bed, queen size double bed. So friends, here, this is how it's gonna work. So we are filling the air now. So here how it works. So in case if there in the campsite there is no electricity, you can use your car electricity from your car. That's what we do here. We have a additional adapter there, and now the air filling process is going on, and after around 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes, I think 5 minutes, right, Panga? Yeah, in 5 minutes you'll see this whole kind of things will turn into a queen size big bed. So my suggestions to everybody, it's better you always have these things with you whenever you go for a camping, because you never know. You go everywhere, the ground is not level and there's so many gravel, stones and everything, and you cannot sleep. It hurts in your body, in your back. So when you have this kind of bait, you'll feel like you're sleeping in your home. I'll show you later when it's all done. So there you are, friend. You can see the bed. How is that become? Pangat, can you see it? How it look? See? The light. Yeah, see? It's whole bed like that.
Okay.
Nice. So okay friends, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and tomorrow we'll come up with another new video. Tomorrow we'll go for a boating, tomorrow we'll go for fishing. Especially I'm going to do a fishing. I hope I'll catch some fishes this time, because I failed last year. I'm trying my best to do better fishing this time, and we'll have fun tomorrow. And it's already 10:30 now, so I have to go up there and be with my friends, have some little bit of drinks, not hard drinks anyway, some kind of drinks, you understand. So anyway, so friends, if you like this video, give like to video. If you don't like, don't like, and give your comments, and I'll try to bring more better videos. So see you tomorrow. Have a good day and good night. Thank you very much.
Denim trousers and motorcycle boots, a black leather jacket with an eagle on the back. He had a hopped up Harley that took off like a gun.